Learning letter W with Hopie. Fun alphabet adventure for kids.
One wonderful Wednesday, a weird, whistling wind woke Hopie. "What was that?" she whispered, outside her window where the waves washed the shore. A wonderful white letter W was wobbling and winking at her. "Wow," whispered Hopie. The letter W wiggled. "Want to wander with me?" it whistled. Hopie, who was always wishing for wonderful adventures, quickly put on her waterproof wellies and waved. "Wait for me." They went for a walk along the wet sand. The water washed over their feet. They saw wiggly worms and wonderful white seashells. "What a wonderful walk," Hopie chirped. Suddenly, with a great whoosh of water, a wonderful, wise whale surfaced. "Welcome, wanderers," she bellowed warmly. "I am Wanda the whale. What brings you to my waters?" "We are on a wonderful W adventure," Hopie explained. "Well, what a coincidence." Wanda winked. "Would you like to witness a waterfall of wishes? We can watch it from the water." "We would," Hopie cheered. With one wide wave of her tail, Wanda swooped closer. Hopie carefully climbed onto her wide, wet back. It was a wonderful way to travel. Wanda swam with a powerful, whooshing sound. The wind whipped through Hopie's hair. They watched waves, white with foam, roll by. It was a wild, wet, and wonderful ride. They went towards a wall of weeping willows. Behind it, a waterfall cascaded down, sparkling with a wonderful white light. "Wow," whispered Hopie. "It's the waterfall of wishes." "Whisper a wish," Wanda said softly. Hopie closed her eyes and wished for more wonderful adventures. Afterwards, Wanda shared her lunch, wedges of sweet, watery watermelon. "What a wonderful treat," Hopie said. When it was time to go, Wanda swam Hopie back to the warm white sand. "W is for water, waves, and whale," she waved, "and for wonderful wild watermelon wishes. What a wonderful letter W day."
Learning letter W with Hopie. Fun alphabet adventure for kids. Subscribe. Hopie and Friends.